Well, it's time for another update. Today is Sunday, the 14th of April. 5 days away from my birthday.
Yep.
And on the 12th, this past Friday, I went in for my bronchoscopy, and they biopsied the lump in my lung. And then later that morning in recovery, Dr. Sexton, pulmonary doctor, came in to review the PET scan results. And they weren't great. The cancer spread into my rib cage and both my shoulder blades in the bone. And so that basically took one option for treatment off the table. That would have been surgery to remove the upper right lobe of my lung to isolate the cancer, but that's not an option at this point. So I pray that in the next couple of days we will have an appointment to discuss options.
Well, now he did say because of the cancer that has gone to your ribs and your shoulders, that he wants to do either a radiation or, and I don't know the name, so excuse me, but something newer than radiology that's amino something, because those were concerns. And again, depending on the biopsy, the radiation may take care of all of it. And so,
But we don't know yet.
Yeah. We still
type.
have the maybes.
Yeah.
If they're the same type of cancers, then the radiation or the amino whatever will be his preferred treatment. If they're two different types of cancers, then we have to look at something different.
So hopefully in the next couple of days we'll get that call, and knowing the name of the cancer or cancers, knowing the treatment options, then we'll have to tell our boys.
Once we know the treatment options.
Once we know. It's just at this point, and I apologize to you if you're watching it, Clay, JW, Michael. We didn't want to alarm you until we at least have some answers and what the immediate future looks like as far as treatments and things like that. So probably by the end of this coming week, me and Miss Barbara will have to make that difficult call and meet with JW and Michael and let them know what's going on. And again, I apologize to all three of you. We did reach out to Art and Kelly, my brother and sister-in-law, our nearest and dearest friends, not just family, but friends, because we just, you just can bottle it up so long before it just starts tearing you apart. And I think just to be able to say it to someone, to speak it to someone, and of course they accepted it begrudgingly but comfortingly. I mean, they were who we needed to talk to. And since then, yesterday had a great day.
Yes, it
Running
was a lot
dirt
of
roads,
fun.
hooting and hollering, and
I still have red dirt all over my clothes.
but that's the update for now. And hopefully midweek or so, we'll have even more answers. And then we'll have to have a hard time talking to our boys. Catch up with you later.